Hi everyone, this is Ramalinga Prasad Kuppa. Welcome to my channel Pharma World. Today's topic is water as per section 4.3 of ICH 7. Let us see what the requirement is. The guideline under section 4.30 prescribes water used in the manufacture of APIs should be demonstrated to be suitable for its intended use. Also, under section 4.31, it prescribes, unless otherwise justified, processed water should at a minimum meet World Health Organization guidelines for drinking water quality. Let's understand the word demonstrated. It is necessary to prove that the water used in various stages of manufacturing is suitable for use. That means you have to establish that the product meets to all specifications all the time by using this quality of water and there are no adverse results or outcome. You have to evaluate the data statistically for consistency. Statistical evaluation may include parameters like CP, CPK, moving range charts, etc. You have to document this evaluation data to establish the objective evidence for using this quality of water. What is the meaning of at a minimum? That means the water should pass to WHO specifications at a minimum. Check the list of specifications in WHO drinking water guideline. The list is very comprehensive and includes attributes like routine tests like pH, chloride or any other halides, conductivity, alkalinity, etc. Potential pesticide residues, heavy metals, bioburden, etc. You can use IS 10500 guideline for drinking water as an alternative. However, you have to compare with WHO guidelines and establish equivalence. Of course, in fact, WHO specifications and IS 10500 are comparable in many attributes. So, if you establish the equivalence to WHO specifications, IS 10500 can also be acceptable. What is the meaning of unless otherwise justified? It means if this potable water quality of water is not suitable, you need different quality of water. Let us see what the section 4.32 prescribes. If drinking water is insufficient to assure API quality and tighter chemical and or microbiological water quality specifications are called for. Appropriate specifications for physical chemical attributes, total microbial counts, objectionable organism and or endotoxins should be established. So if the drinking water quality as described above is not adequate, stringent specifications may be assigned. It may include, as described here, chemical or physical or total microbial counts, objectionable organisms, and endotoxins, etc. If the WHO water quality is not adequate for the process, the guideline under section 4.33 prescribes that where water used in the process is treated by the manufacturer to achieve a defined quality, the treatment process should be validated and monitored with appropriate action limits. Let us understand. So if there is a requirement to purify the water by treatments like RO, demineralization, ultrafiltration, etc., it is necessary to validate and monitor the water distribution system. But before the validation of the water system, it has to be qualified. The qualifications should include comprehensive design qualification, installation qualification, operation qualification and performance qualification. The design should provide a suitable stainless steel, maybe of SS316L tank for storage of water, suitable orbital welded piping, necessary slopes, sanitary valves, tricolor valves, etc. have to be looked into carefully. The surface roughness should be as low as possible. Generally, it will be at maybe less than 0.4 units. The radiography will help to establish the quality of weldings or the pipings. You have to hire an expert who can address all these aspects of distribution system. And validation is carried out in 3 phases, covering the entire year and all seasonal variations. The validation protocol should include all user points in the distribution loop. It is recommended to include return loop sample of the distribution system be a part of daily sampling to monitor the quality of the water in the loop. A quick check could be the test for conductivity. An interim quarterly report of the validation activity may be generated. A final report after successful completion of the entire year may be done by integrating the data from each quarter. Here also the data has to be evaluated statistically. Let us see what section 4.34 prescribes. Where the manufacturer of an non-sterile API either intends or claims that it is suitable for use in further processing to produce a sterile drug or medicinal product, water used in the final isolation and purification steps should be monitored and controlled for total microbial counts, objectionable organisms, and endotoxins. So it is important that if the API is marketed for sterile drug products, it is necessary to monitor the bioburden content and ensure that it is under control always. This particular point has to be noted. So we have to find out to whom the non-sterile drug is going. If it is going for any sterile operations, it is definitely necessary that you have to prove that the bioburden is under control in your non-sterile product. I hope you got some good information on management of water, and try to look into your systems and check whether or not these points are included in your system. Thank you. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.